In this video, I am going to explain about how to determine a value when the arithmetic average is given. Here we have an example. In this example, we have average rainfall of a city from Monday to Saturday is 0.3 inches is given. So we have an average value that is 0.3 and it is only from Monday to Saturday. And one more condition is given, that is due to heavy rainfall on Sunday, the average rainfall for the week is increased to 0.5 inches. So second average value is given, that is 0.5, and that is for the whole week, that is n value is 7. Okay, so we have to find the value, that is what was the rainfall on Sunday. So we have to find the value. So we have to find what was the rainfall on Sunday. So first we'll write it as average value, that is average value is mean. Mean value is given, that is 0.3 inches. And it is only from Monday to Saturday. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So we have only 6 days. So n value is 6. So now we have to find the value. So formula for arithmetic mean is, so mean, that is x bar equal to total divided by number of values. Okay. So what is mean value is given, that is 0.3 equal to, we have to find the total, that divided by what is n is 6. So this implies total value is 0.3 into, we have to take the 6 to the other side, so it will become 0.3 into 6. So that is nothing but 1.8. So this is the total for only 6 days, right? So from Monday to Saturday. Next, second condition is given, that is due to heavy rainfall on Sunday, the average rainfall for the week increased to 0.5 inches. So next mean value is given. This is first one, and here we have second mean value is given, that is 0.5 inches, and n value is the average rainfall for the week. So that is for 7 days. So n equal to 7. So again we have to find the total value. Total is mean equal to total divided by n, that is 0.5, that is mean value. We have to find the total divided by 7. So this implies total value is, now multiply this 7 into 0.5. So you will get 3.5 inches. So this 3.5 is for 7 days. This is for the whole week, right? So this is the total. Here we have two total values. One is for 7 days, that is from Monday to Sunday, and another total is for 6 days, that is from Monday to Saturday. So we have to find what was the rainfall on Sunday. So we have to find the value only for Sunday. So now we have to subtract these two values, that is total of 7 days minus total of 6 days. So you will get the value for Sunday. So total of second value minus total of first value, that is equal to 3.5 minus 1.8, that is nothing but 1.7 inch. So this is the actual rainfall on Sunday. Thank you.